pizza stone versus pizza steel. Which one bakes the best pizza? Today on GardenFork, a taste test, stone versus steel. Let's try this, see what happens. Ready? GardenFork, making things, making food. If I can do it, you can do it. So throughout our pizza series, we've been baking in my normal kitchen oven here in New York with some clay terracotta tiles. Does that make the camera weird? Yes, it does. Which I could clean a little bit better. And they've been good pizzas, but there's a number of people that commented, thank you for commenting, and they said you should try, wait for it, this heavy thing. It's called a steel, a baking steel or a pizza steel. This is actually a thin one and it is heavy. So I wanted to go with you on this ride today. Does this really make a difference? Does this make better pizza, or does these lightweight tiles are much easier to deal with? So first, we're gonna womp these both up, and while they're womping, we're gonna make dough. Take this all the way up, take it to 500. Oh, one more, go. So this is the last video, I think, in our pizza making series I've been working with, and we've We've been making pizza dough a bunch of different ways, and I discovered the Instant Pot method really does work really well. There'll be links to all these videos I'm mentioning at the end of the show after the taste test. Taste test is important, so stick around. But anyway, we're gonna make an Instant Pot dough while that is heating up, okay? So this is the fastest pizza dough, and I've been really happy with it, and the camera's tilted. Sorry. But this goes together right quick. Boom, done. Heat up the oven, good to go. A number of you suggested when I'm hydrating the yeast to add a little sugar. Thank you for that. 110. This whole recipe is in one of our previous in the pizza series, but we'll just go through this real quick. Some sugar, or you could use honey. Mix that. Okay. I put the sugar in the warm water to activate the yeast, and it's outdated yeast, and I thought it would bubble more than this. What do you all think? Let me know in the comments what I'm doing wrong. And I mean, we just should move forward because that's what I'm about. Let's try it, okay? Here we go. Don't forget the olive oil this time, okay? I think I see some bubbles here, so we are good to go. All right, a little more flour. I think it's just a little damp, more damp than I like. I just kind of roll it in a little bit of extra dough, and now I'm gonna separate this into two pieces because we're making two pizzas here. This was a mistake I made the last time, which you can watch in the last episode. Like that. Does that look about the same? So I'm just gonna make these into balls. The other one, I've had a lot of fun making this pizza series here. I can't really form this. I'm trying to get my face in the camera and the dough and the board. I'll just stand up. See how that kind of just smooths over real nice? Tuck in the bottom. This is kind of, it's like we know what we're doing or something. This is scary. Hello? This is now my go-to pizza dough recipe, and it's really simple. Take this. That wouldn't hurt, would it? Okay, our steel and our tiles are heating up. The oven's at 500. This is proofing. All right, so everything is according to plan. Isn't that strange for GardenFork? I'm looking forward to this. I spent all day up on a ladder in a bathroom trying to fix a giant hole in a ceiling. In addition to pizza, we also do DIY videos, but our dough is proofing? Is that the word? Is that the right word? Let me know. These things are womping up, And I'm excited. I love pizza. Do you love pizza? But I am curious whether the outdated yeast will work or not. So you'll have to stick around to the end and see what happens with that. Nice. So for comparison purposes, oh, I just dribbled that. I've made a simple sauce that I will now clean up. All right. Oh, is that cool? That's great. I'm gonna take one and just cover it. Oh, that was delicate, wasn't it? Graceful. Hold on. I'm gonna cover this with this, but it just did what it did, as you saw that. Okay, this is gonna be covered with this. So I talk about making the dough in one of our previous videos of the series here, but this looks really nice. Nice, huh? That looks a little thin. Okay, maybe too thin. Okay, that's a little bit of a mistake. But on GardenFork, we leave the mistakes in. This is your first time here. I mean, my whole thing is life is messy, so is GardenFork. So I'm just gonna push forward because I'm hungry. And that is like life. So we're just gonna make pizza and enjoy it anyway. Turn the oven off. Turn your broiler on. So we're gonna do the stone tiles. Oh, they're kind of crooked. Well, that's how they're gonna be. So maybe I should fix that. And it doesn't want to come off. Uh-oh, it doesn't want to come off. Hold on. Okay, I slid it onto here, and now we'll slide it onto here. Maybe. Oh, that's going to be a mess. That's going to be a bad mess. Fan on, and it's not looking too bad. Getting that out might be interesting. Oh, this is a spectacular mess. Oh, man. There we go. So for the sake of our test, there is viable crust there we can sample with one heck of a hole in it. All right, let's make the second one with the pizza steel. Okay, so now I've got to get that steel up there, that up there, 2 hands, I think. Oh, geez. How about that? All right, I'm just gonna womp that for a minute. And, oh, turn the broiler on. Baking off, broiler on. So there is a salvageable sample piece here, I think. Right here. Oh, it just slid right off. You were looking at the camera saying that pizza number 1 was too thin, weren't you? All right, so 6 minutes, pizza test. Stick to the end. So if you want to upgrade, oh, that's doing a mess in the camera. If you want to upgrade your oven, outside portable brick pizza oven, that's messing the camera. Anyway, at the end here of the series, I will link to portable brick oven I built and you can build. Go from this outdoor brick oven, really easy. Well, that's what the first one's supposed to look like too, but very nice. Are we on a pizza vigil? I think so. Pizza stone, pizza tile. Pretty good. Pizza steel. Pizza steel wins. I'll link to the steel I'm using in the show notes below. Videos right here. How to make the dough, use the Instant Pot, and make your brick oven. All right? I'll see you in the next video.